Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare GMC Canyon AT4X versus Sierra. We'll explore how these two formidable off-road trucks stack up against each other. The Canyon AT4X is a mid-size option, while the Sierra AT4X is a full-size powerhouse. We'll look at their core differences, from their starting prices to their fundamental design, helping you understand which truck might best suit your adventurous needs and budget. When it comes to raw power, both trucks deliver, but with different approaches. The Canyon AT4X comes with a robust 2.7-liter turbo max engine, offering strong performance for its class. The Sierra AT4X, being a larger truck, provides more engine options, including a powerful 6.2-liter V8 and a torque-rich 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel. This translates directly into towing capacity, with the Sierra AT4X capable of handling significantly heavier loads. Beyond their engines, these trucks are engineered for the trails. Both the Canyon and Sierra AT4X models boast advanced off-road technology, like Multimatic DSSV dampers, ensuring a smooth ride over rugged terrain. Inside, the Sierra AT4X elevates comfort with a more spacious and luxurious cabin, featuring premium materials and even available massaging seats. The Canyon AT4X, while smaller, offers impressive tire options for enhanced grip and capability. Ultimately, choosing between the Canyon AT4X and Sierra AT4X depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a highly capable mid-size truck that excels in off-road adventures without the full-size footprint or price tag, the Canyon AT4X is an excellent choice. However, if maximum towing, a wider range of powerful engine options, and a more luxurious, spacious interior are what you need, the Sierra AT4X stands ready. Don't forget to check the description for links to other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.